this is Brian Flannery here, South Hills Toyota, here with Dave and Alicia Piontek, and they're here purchasing their fourth Toyota in 3 months. And I also have Greg DeLucar here, our X-Time Toyota service advisor, and he's here to go over ToyotaCare as well as the X-Time process that we have. Do your thing, Greg.
All right, Dave and Alicia, thank you once again for your fourth Toyota in 3 months. We really do appreciate your continued business. So let's go over ToyotaCare. Obviously, I'm sure you guys know it, but it's never, a bad idea to go over it again just so you get it all down. ToyotaCare. As soon as you leave the lot today with your brand new car, you're going to get the first 2 years or 25,000 miles of basic maintenance free of charge to you. It's all going to get billed to Toyota. So that's going to cover your oil changes, your tire rotations, your first 2 oil changes at 10,000 and 20,000 miles, and then your first 3 tire rotations at 5, 15, and 25. Now also in the 10 and 20,000 mile services, you will get tire rotations there. Depending on the car that you get, you can also get cabin filters, which are part of the services. And then on top of that, as a way of saying thank you for your continued business, you will get the 3rd oil change after the ToyotaCare expires, free of charge from the dealership as a way of saying thank you. So honestly, this, especially with leases, anything like that, you're going to get, carefree maintenance. You won't have to worry about a thing. You won't have to pay a dime out of pocket. And also you have the opportunity, if you come in before 31,000 miles to buy ToyotaCare Plus, which essentially extends ToyotaCare out to 45,000 miles. So that'll cover 30,000 mile service, 35, 40, and 45. So at that point too, once again, if you decide that you want to keep the car for multiple years, once again, oil changes, tire rotations, anything basic is going to be covered. What's better than that? No other manufacturer does that. So we'll take care of you.
Yes, you do. Thank you.
Perfect. Well, Alicia, Dave, Greg, I'm Brian. We thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.